In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a video in LinkedIn messages. Whether you're sending a job-related video message, a company introduction, or simply sharing something interesting with your connections, this feature can enhance your communication on the platform. Let's dive right in and walk through each step to make sure you can effortlessly share videos through LinkedIn messaging. First and foremost, you'll want to navigate to linkedin.com. If you aren't already signed in, take a moment to log into your account with your credentials. It's important to ensure that you have access to LinkedIn, as this feature won't be available otherwise. Once you're signed into your account, the next step involves navigating to your messaging section. This can be easily found by clicking the messaging icon, which is positioned prominently at the top of your LinkedIn homepage. This will bring up all your ongoing conversations and allow you to begin the process of sending a video message. The next step is to select the specific conversation to which you want to send the video. Scroll through your list of messages and choose the conversation or the person you want to share the video with. This step is crucial, as selecting the correct conversation ensures your message reaches the intended recipient without any mix-ups. With the conversation open, you'll notice various icons and options at the bottom of the messaging window. Among them is an attach icon, generally represented by a paperclip. Click on this attach icon, which prompts a File Explorer window to open, allowing you to select a video file from your device. Here, you'll want to navigate to the location where your video is stored. Perhaps it's in a specific folder where you keep all your media files, or maybe it's sorted into your documents, photos, or videos. Take your time to locate the file you want to share. Once you've navigated and selected the video file, the next action is to click Open. This uploads the video into the LinkedIn messaging system. It's wise to ensure that the file isn't too large, as excessive wait times or potential uploading issues might occur with larger files. After you've hit open, you'll notice the video appears as an attachment in your message window. Finally, to send the video, simply hit the send button. This will immediately share your video with the intended recipient in your chat. It's always a good practice to include a brief message or context to accompany the video, so your recipient knows exactly what to expect or why it's relevant to them. And there you have it, an easy way to send videos through LinkedIn messages effectively, enhancing how you connect and communicate on this professional platform.